Okay, hi guys. So, hello, it's me once again, Jerlene. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna unbox another baby. So, this is from Rebecca Minkoff. I always wanted to have this bag, and now I finally have one because it's GSS. Then I had a very good deal a while ago. So this is my new baby from Rebecca Minkoff. So let's open. Okay. So I really only chose from the sale items. So this is, I mean, the color is something I don't usually choose, but yeah, it's something different. So I want to try something new. So I got this Mini MAC quilted cross body bag. Yeah, the color is powder blue. So this is the mini size because I think this style has a bigger version. Okay, so let's open it. So yeah, it's nice. Everything is still covered. Ta-da! So I really wanted this bag from before, but for some reason I do not end up buying this until now that I feel that I got a very good deal, as I've mentioned a while ago. So it's nice. It's powder blue. Yeah, and it has like this accessory, just like in Balenciaga. Actually, the style reminds me of YSL. Yeah. But it's not as expensive as YSL. Okay. Of course, if I've seen pink or yellow, definitely I will get. But then, since the choices are limited, because I only chose from the sale section. Okay, so this is the bag, but it's nice. It's still very girly. Okay, so that's the bag. I think you can wear it as this way, or on the side, on the shoulder, and then there's also a way that you can like shorten this strap and can use it as shoulder bag, but with a shoulder length strap. And you can also take off the metal strap and then use it as a clutch. So you can use it in different ways. Okay, so as for the space, yeah, it's like this. I think you can put this in enough of things, and then there's like a hook here. Okay, there, and there's like a pocket at the front. You can still put some small stuffs here. I think this is a nice bag for like modeling or going to party, dinner with friends. Okay, let's see what can fit inside. So I think I'm using my phone for taking this video, but I think my phone can fit inside. My power bank can fit in also. So okay, let me see if my usual stuff can fit in inside the bag. So I have my medicines, I have my pressed powder, okay, I have lipstick, my essential oil, okay, my So this is my wallet now. It's kind of small, so I think it will fit in. Then a small brush or comb, and my perfume. Yeah, I think that's just it, because I need to save some space for my power bank and my cell phone. So in the front, maybe I can put the cable of my power bank so I can charge my phone. And what else I can put? Then I can put my ball pen and my, what's this, my eyebrow pencil. Then I can put wet wipes. I have a small one as well. Yeah, should be okay. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so I think this is a very nice bag from Rebecca Minkoff. I would definitely recommend this bag. Okay, so if you want to watch more videos from me, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Until next time. Bye bye.